here I got another eBay package. It's light bulbs. So I'm gonna box it. I got more coming in soon. Got the shipping label off. It's all taped together. Hopefully we can get it apart. Maybe. Yep. There we go. We can get that off. I might need to pause. Maybe not. Let's nip the tape apart. It's my teeth. We'll have to do it again. Oh my god. Sorry for my camera blurring out. It does that all the fucking time. I love the camera though. Even Samsung phones will do that. So stop liking Samsung. I don't hate Samsung though. Their hardware is good, but their software is just not an Android fan. Like the hardware is fun to play around with. But Apple's hardware is good in some ways. The cameras are excellent in the iPhone 50 Pro Max. Like more megapixels does not mean better. I just think a 200 megapixels is probably like overkill sometimes. We're just gonna use like 100 times zoom. Gotta open. I could have used a pocket knife. The video's still at least less than 10 minutes. So. Oh, loose in the box. But anyways, ordered via electric. 100 watt, equivalent 17.5 watt LED bulbs. 1600 lumens. Pretty bright. Definitely 1,600 lumens. I hope nothing's all missing. Hurts all over the place, actually. But other than that, they came in good shape. They got the selectable color temperature. There's nothing wrong with LED bulbs, but for some people, they cause problems. They definitely do, compared to incandescent bulbs. They can give people headaches. They don't cause me headaches, but it depends on the person. I just don't think incandescent bulbs should be banned ever. This is digital lights, and people are not used to that. I do notice more flickering in LED lights. That's 2700 Kelvin, 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, 5000 Kelvin, 6500 Kelvin. I'm gonna do 4000 Kelvin. I think that looks best. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thanks for watching.